In today's video, we'll show you what to do if Instagram keeps saying your request is pending every time you try to follow someone. The most common reason this happens is because Instagram limits how many follow requests you can send in a 24-hour period. If you followed too many accounts or sent too many requests recently, Instagram may temporarily block you from sending more. In this case, the best solution is simple: just wait for some time and try again later. Instagram does this to prevent spam and bot activity on the platform. If you're still seeing your request is pending even after waiting, you should check whether your account has been restricted. Here's how to do that. First, open the Instagram app and go to your Profile tab. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on Account Status. Then tap on Features you can't use. Here, you'll be able to see if your account has any restrictions. If everything is fine, it will say that you can use all Instagram features. But if your account has been restricted for violating any guidelines, you'll see details here. If your account is restricted, you'll usually find an option to submit a request for review. Once you submit it, the Instagram team will review your case and get back to you within a few days. After approval, you should be able to send follow requests again. And that's it. Those are the main reasons why Instagram says your request is pending and how you can fix it. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to Glitch Guru for more helpful tech tips.